The question used to be whether humanoid robots would ever actually be available to buy. That question is dead. It has been dead for a while now, and most people have not caught up yet. Because right now, if you have the money, you can go online and order a walking, thinking humanoid robot. Not a demo, not a concept, not a company asking you to trust a roadmap. An actual product. And the price range on this list is so extreme that it tells a story on its own. The cheapest robot on this list costs $1,400. The most expensive will run you over $400,000. And the gap between those two numbers says more about where this industry actually stands than any headline you have read this year. 6 humanoid robots, all available for sale, all real. And before we are done, there is one specific detail about the number 1 robot on this list that might completely change how you think about what buying a humanoid actually means right now. Let's get into it. We start at the bottom of the price ladder, and the bottom of the price ladder is genuinely wild. Beijing-based Noetix Robotics, founded in 2023, reportedly pulled off something the entire industry has been talking about: a fully walking bipedal humanoid robot for $1,400. They call it Boommy. According to the company, it is the first humanoid ever priced under 10,000 yuan. That is cheaper than most flagship smartphones for a walking humanoid robot. Now, the reality check up front. Boommy stands 94 centimeters tall and weighs 12 kilograms. This is a child-sized platform designed for education, home entertainment, and developer experimentation. It walks, it dances, it responds to voice commands and recognizes faces. It supports open programming with over 21 degrees of freedom. Battery life is reported at around 1 to 2 hours per charge. Here is the moment that put Boommy on the global map. In early 2026, Noetix robots reportedly performed live at China's Spring Festival Gala, broadcast to reportedly over 700 million viewers. The first 500 units sold out in 48 hours. International sales channels are reportedly being finalized, but the company's English-language website already suggests global expansion is on the way. Boommy is not going to clean your kitchen, but it is the robot that just demolished every price assumption anyone had about what a humanoid costs. And in this industry, when the price floor drops, everything above it eventually has to follow. If number 6 broke the price barrier, number 5 proved you can do serious work underneath it. Unitree Robotics has been shipping humanoids longer and more reliably than most companies in this space have had a real product. The G1 starts at $13,500, and it is not a toy. At 43 degrees of freedom, a carbon fiber frame, Livox 3D LiDAR, Intel RealSense cameras, and ROS2 and Python support, this is a research-grade machine at a price a university lab can actually justify. The fully loaded configuration with an NVIDIA Jetson Orin at 100 tops out at $73,900, which is still cheaper than most of the competition's base model. Over 5,000 units have reportedly shipped globally. Amazon, Stanford, MIT, UT Austin, and Carnegie Mellon all run one. Carnegie Mellon researchers reportedly built a dual-agent system on the G1 so mechanically stable that it carries water during a full walking cycle without spilling. The latest firmware reportedly added LLM integration directly on the hardware for natural language task commands. The G1 also reportedly holds a 1.4-meter standing long jump record. Here is what I respect about Unitree more than almost anything else. They did not build the budget robot. They built the robot that let researchers all over the world actually get their hands on this technology. And that is how entire fields evolve. Every robot so far has been aimed at researchers, developers, or industry. Number 4 is the first one on this list, built specifically for where you come home to. 1X Technologies launched NEO in late 2025, opening pre-orders at $20,000. A subscription option is available at $499 per month. According to the company, first deliveries to U.S. homes reportedly began in 2026, making NEO one of the first consumer humanoid robots to actually ship to a private residence. The hardware is deceptively capable. At just under 30 kilograms, NEO can reportedly lift over 68 kilograms. The hands feature 22 degrees of freedom, which 1X describes as human-level dexterity. According to the company, the operating noise level is 22 decibels, which the company says is quieter than a modern refrigerator. That detail matters more than it sounds. This robot is designed to live with you, not just work near you. NEO uses custom 3D lattice polymer soft body construction and comes with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, and a 3-stage speaker system. 1X's model uses trained remote operators called 1X experts who guide the robot through unfamiliar tasks. The system then builds autonomy over time. Current deliveries are focused on the US market, with international expansion reportedly planned for 2027. A home robot that actually ships to a real house. That is genuinely new. Now, number 3 is where the AI story in this space gets legitimately hard to wrap your head around. Figure AI's Figure 03 was named one of Time's best inventions of 2025. The robot runs on Helix, a vision language action model built in collaboration with OpenAI that handles perception, reasoning, and physical motor control as a single unified system. According to Figure, the camera architecture delivers twice the frame rate and 1/4 the latency of its predecessor, with a 60% wider field of view per camera. Each hand has 16 degrees of freedom. Fingertip sensors reportedly detect forces as small as 3 grams. Battery life is reported at approximately 16 hours. Figure AI's valuation reportedly reached $39 billion, with backing from NVIDIA, Jeff Bezos, and Microsoft. Figure's Bot Q manufacturing facility reportedly produces up to 12,000 units per year. Active industrial deployments are already live, with BMW as the anchor automotive partner. Component costs reportedly dropped 90% compared to the previous generation Figure 02. As of making this video, Figure 03 is not available for general consumer purchase. Enterprise pricing is active for commercial buyers. CEO Brett Adcock has publicly stated that select home deployments are being targeted for later this year, but broader consumer availability depends on the robot handling most home tasks autonomously all day. It is not fully there yet. The consumer target price is reportedly around $20,000. When that door opens, the line will be long. Number 2 costs $250,000. And by every measurable commercial metric available, it is the most proven humanoid robot currently deployed on Earth. Agility Robotics Digit stands 175 centimeters tall, weighs 65 kilograms, and walks at 1.5 meters per second. It carries up to 16 kilograms. Digit navigates using onboard computers, LiDAR, and 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, and connects to Agility's ARC fleet management platform for autonomous task coordination across entire fleets. The deployment track record is what separates Digit from every other robot on this list. It is actively deployed at Amazon fulfillment centers handling tote transfer tasks. GXO Logistics reportedly has units that have moved over 100,000 totes. Toyota contracted 7 units as recently as February of this year. Agility's RoboFab facility in Salem, Oregon is reportedly the world's first dedicated humanoid robot factory, with capacity for 10,000 units per year. The company has raised over $600 million in total funding. Here is the one that stopped me during research. Digit reportedly became the first commercial humanoid to pass an OSHA-recognized safety field inspection at a live customer fulfillment site. Not a demo environment, not a controlled lab, a real warehouse, under real occupational safety standards, working alongside real people. $250,000 is not cheap, but Digit is not selling you a promise, it is selling you a track record. Now, and then there is Atlas. Boston Dynamics spent the better part of a decade making robots do things that looked physically impossible. Backflips in 2017, parkour in 2019. For years, Atlas was the most impressive robotics content anyone had ever seen. But all of that was content. What happened at CES 2026 in Las Vegas was different. Boston Dynamics unveiled the production-ready, all-electric Atlas in a live demo on stage, backed by Hyundai, with confirmed deployments already allocated for Hyundai's Robotics Metaplant Application Center and Google DeepMind. This is not a showcase anymore. This is a product. Specs: 56 degrees of freedom, fully rotational joints, 2.3 meter reach, 50 kilogram lift, water-resistant operating range from -20 to 40 degrees Celsius. The three-fingered gripper has a palm camera, 7 degrees of freedom, and is purpose-built for industrial handling. When the battery runs out, Atlas walks itself to a charging station, swaps autonomously, and keeps working. The behavioral model, developed with Toyota Research Institute, works like this. A human demonstrates a task once via VR teleoperation that gets trained in simulation and pushed to hardware. The resulting policy reportedly runs 1.5 to 2 times faster than the original human demonstration. Atlas literally outpaces the person who taught it. The reported price is around $420,000, backed by Hyundai's enterprise-grade manufacturing. And here is the detail that reframes everything else on this list. 2026 deployment slots are fully allocated. New customer slots reportedly do not open until early 2027. The most impressive humanoid robot you can order right now is sold out for the year. Let that sit for a second, because if that is where this market is today, think about where it is going. 6 robots, $1,400 to $420,000. An education bot cheaper than a smartphone, a home companion delivering to US addresses right now, a warehouse robot that passed OSHA certification inside a live Amazon facility, and a $420,000 machine so in demand it is waitlisted through 2026. This is not a coming soon story anymore. The hardware is here. It is deployed, it is being tested, and it is getting better every single month. The question left on the table: which of these bets actually wins long term? A robot for everyone, or a robot built for enterprise first? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you want my actual take, subscribe. That video is coming.